My name is Richard Trent. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I'm the founder of ATS. Today, I will show you the proven secret that ATS customers are using to fix the vehicle. Anyway, here's the email window that I have. And I got a guy, his name is River Barbados, and he has a problem with his Chevy truck. The, the original email was sent on November 27, and so what I do to avoid showing his identity, I put it in paint form so that I can show it to you quickly. Okay, here's the question. Hello Rich, I need some help on my 1996 Chevy Tahoe 5.7 liter engine. So basically the truck quit on him and he got it towed home. You know, basically the situation nowadays because of people trying to save money. Instead of bringing it to the dealer or to garages, they try to fix it themselves. So as soon as he got home, he checked the fuel, he checked the ignition, and he found out the coil was not working properly, so he had it replaced. But after that, it still won't work. So he contacted ATS. So next response is what I did here. Okay, my response to his email is this. If you look down at the bottom, you see this? November 27, I wrote him the same day, okay? Good evening, kid. And I told him that there's no spark. Basically, what I do here is when a customer write to me, I usually give the 3 best fixes from my database, the common fix, so that you can fix the problem right away. And you will not start your vehicle if there's no fuel, there's no spark, or there's a mechanical problem. Now, mechanical normally will have a noise. Let's say your car is running, and then you have a noise, and then it quit. Then that's mechanical. He never said that on the report, so I would rule that out. Now, that's why it will boil down to 2 solutions. One of them is the ignition system. So I got him to check the coil again, because the coil that the new one that he had might be a wrong one, and then use the spark tester, etc., etc. And then I think I told him to check the 12-volt power supply. And then finally I said this: if I remember it correctly, the BNC terminal of the driver is supposed to blink while cranking using a test light. If it's not blinking, the driver is no good. Okay? And then the second fix is the fuel. And I told him, because when I look at the database, I found out a lot of owners were complaining that the fuel pumps are no good. Even the garage verified it. And even if you have a pressure lower than 2 psi, the engine won't start. I made him check that just to be sure, because I don't want people replacing parts that are not necessary. So, but if you notice on my response here, I gave him this attachment. You see this? These are all the information, the drawings, wiring diagram that he needs so he can test the problem, okay? So this is what happened. I go to the, no, I go to the fix, here. Okay, here it is. On December 6th, you see that? December 6th? On that day, I was even telling him, because he wanted to learn how to test the computer too. So if you can see here at the bottom, I was telling him how to test the computer, okay? So basically, on the same day, December 6th, he said, Richard, I got the truck started and it was the IC driver. Got it. Okay? I hope you're satisfied. And remember, normally I will send the solution within 2 hours, and if I'm not around, I got retired engineers and retired mechanics helping me do this so that we can service you 7 days a week. And once you get the solution, most of you should be able to fix it within 1 to 2 days. So if you want to save money and get job security or not waste your money on unnecessary parts or getting your vehicle repaired elsewhere, get ATS email experience. Thank you.